Yo, what's up, everyone? Welcome to Gap Trades. Jermaine Hatcher right here. And today we're gonna be talking about if you can make a living day trade. That's the topic. Ready? All right, cool. Yo, what is up, everyone? Welcome. I love Mondays. I don't know about you, but I love Mondays. Mondays is my day. You know what I'm saying? Today is the 10th of December, 2018. The year's almost over. You know what I'm saying? It's time to make things happen and everything, baby. You heard me? Hey, I get asked this. Hey, yo, can I make a living day trading? Is it a possibility that I can go ahead and make money day trading? That we're about to find out right now. What you guys looking at is a 10-day chart. These are all momentum plays. I teach this. In the last 10 days, let's see how much you would have made trading momentum trades. Okay. This dates back to last Monday. All right. We have $1,100 right here, plus $45.70 right there, plus $62.20 right there, plus $28.50, right, plus $38.15, plus $9.35, plus $46.45, plus $38.85. So, in the last 10 days, 10 trading days, trading momentum trades, you would have made $36,130. 36,000, 10 days on one contract trading futures, following the steps that I teach. So the question is, can you make a living day trading? I believe you can. The last 10 days just showed you that you can almost make $35,000 if the market goes right. Now what happened was this. The market had to go down before it established a new high. What the problem was we needed to fill the windows that didn't fill within the last 10 days. So, okay, now as we can see here, this window didn't fill, this window didn't fill. These windows had to fill. The two windows that didn't fill, all windows fill. So what happened was we had a steady decline until we established a new low from 10 days ago. As you can see here, we established it, then we went up, and then we fell back down, which is nothing because we already established the new low. So now we got to establish the new high. But can you make a living day trading? Yes, you can. You just have to have patience. You have to be willing to go through the grind and learn a strategy that is proven. And I have two strategies that I teach all students that is very profitable. Momentum plays is one of them. And as you can see, this is here. You would have been one of my students. You would have been following my strategy. You would have made $36,000 in the last 10 trading days. So, is day trading worth it? Profitable? Can you make a living doing it? Yeah, you can. Everybody be smooth. I holler, man.